Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the right inner drawer glide in your electric range, fully remove the bottom drawer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the right drawer glide. You can now use a flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tab to fully detach the old glide. Install the new inner drawer glide by inserting the tabs on the glide into the slots in the drawer, then push until the retaining tab snaps into place. Replace the screw. Reinstall the drawer, and your electric range should be ready for use.